Hello! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to build no-code AI agents in N8N. So go to your N8N dashboard and then you will have to click on New Workflow or Create Workflow. Then just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will have to start with a trigger node. For example, you can use webhook or Telegram trigger. So just search for any of the two, and then after that you will have to add an open AI node from the node list. Connect your API key, and now you will use dynamic inputs like user questions to pass into the open AI node prompt. After that, link a send message or HTTP response node to deliver the AI's reply back. You can add extra logic like filtering, switching, or adding context with set nodes. Once built, you will have to click execute workflow so that you will be able to test and activate when you're done. No code required at all. You will just drag, connect, and go. And that's basically it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.